Today we're going to install the engine and the transmission into the 33 Hot Rod. Now I've never done this before, so it's going to be an adventure, but let's hope everything goes well. What we have to do is we have to separate the engine from the engine stand. I got the hoist all hooked up, ready to go to support the engine. Next we bring in the transmission, bolt that up, and then we bolt the torque converter to the flex plate. We put the new motor mounts on, and then we slide that all into the car. Hopefully everything will line up just perfect. We'll be able to get the motor mount bolts in, get everything tightened up, put the transmission mount in, and we should be good to go. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and here we go. No, we can put a jack underneath it.
Okay, that's good.
Let me see, right on the other side. Up the other side.
Go like this. Yep, perfect. Okay, so this goes in. Look at that. Okay, good. Yep. Awesome. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
Hey, the engine install went really well. We got the engine and the transmission put together. We got it in the car. We got the motor mounts all in and tightened up. We got the transmission mounts in. Everything went perfect. Went quicker than we really thought it was going to. So our next step is to put the radiator in the car. So stay tuned to 33 Hot Rod. Come back, check us out, subscribe. Until then, cheers.